Welcome to session number 7 of chapter number 5, arithmetic progression of class 10th mathematics. We are going to try to complete the remaining questions of exercise 5.3. थर्ड क्वेश्चन में फोर्थ बिट तक हम लोग किए थे, सो फिफ्थ बिट से अभी कंटिन्यू करेंगे हम लोग. सो एक्सरसाइज 5.3, question number 3, fifth bit. I am reading the question. Given b is equals to 5 and s9 is equals to 75, find a and a9. So we'll use first formula, Sn formula. First formula n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? And this is equals to 75. Now substitute the value of n, that is 9, and d, that is 5. So we'll get 9 by 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1 into 5 is equals to 75. Now we will shift this 2 to this side. So multiply हो जाएगा 2 into 75. And 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into 5 is 40. 75 into 2. फिर अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. 9 into 2 18a plus 9 into 40 is 360 is equals to 150. Now shift the 360 to this side. 150 minus 360, and this will we will get 150 minus 360 is minus 210. So the first term is minus 210 upon 18. Okay. So we'll divide both by 6. 6 से divide करेंगे. So ये minus 35 मिलेगा और ये 3. So this is the value of a. Now what we have to find? Ninth term. Now the ninth term we can write it a9 as a plus 8d. Now substitute the value of a, that is minus 35 by 3, and the value of d, that is 5. Now take LCM. LCM लेंगे तो ये plus 120 हो जाएगा upon 3. So final answer 85 by 3. Okay, ninth term निकल गया. Now next question, next bit, the sixth bit. Given a is equals to 2, b is equals to 8, and Sn is equals to 90, and we need to find n and an. तो इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है, Sn दिया हुआ है. सो अगेन विल यूज द सेम फॉर्मूला, द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This will imply, and this is equals to 90. Okay. So here we need to find the value of n first. So substitute the value of a is 2, and the value of b is 8. Okay. So यहाँ पे 4 हो गया और यहाँ पे 8n minus 8 is equals to 90. So 8n, 4 minus 8 will be minus 4. Now we can divide this 2 by 2. ये दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, या तो कॉमन निकाल लो 2, फिर इससे कैंसिल कर लो, या दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड कर लो. So दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो एक को नहीं कर सकते हम लोग. That is the wrong step. Either we can take common, we can take 2 common from these two, or we can divide both term by 2. So ये हो जाएगा 4n, and this will become 2. Now this will form a quadratic equation. 90 को इधर शिफ्ट कर लेंगे. Again divide all terms by 2. So we'll get finally 2n square minus n minus 45 is equals to 0. Now here the product is minus 90, 2 into minus 45, and the sum is minus 1. मैंने बताया था जब प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव होगा you have to find the factor of that, two factor of that product such that their difference should be equals to 1. So दो फैक्टर कौन सा होगा 90 का, 10 और 9. इसमें बड़े नंबर पे सम का साइन लगा दो और दूसरा प्लस हो जाएगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू split the middle term by minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. Now what we can take common from these two? We can take 2n common. ठीक है, ये दोनों से हम लोग क्या नहीं ले सकते हैं, 9 कॉमन ले सकते हैं. So n minus 5 is equals to 0. So finally we'll get the two factors as one is n minus 5 and the second factor is 2n plus 9. 2n plus 9 is equals to 0, right? So either n minus 5 is equals to 0, that is n is equals to 5, and 2n plus 9 is equals to 0. Plus 9 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो minus 9 हो जाएगा. So n is equals to minus 9 by 2. Now जो n है that is the number of terms, and the number of terms should be a natural number. Okay, so minus 9 by 2 we have to neglect. So what we have to write, neglecting n is equals to minus 9 by 2 as n should be natural number. We have n is equals to 5. Okay, so we got the value of n. n निकल गया. Now we have to find a n. Now a n means a5. Now what is the how we can write a5? A plus 4d. This is equals to a plus 4d. A का वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है 2 and the value of d is 8. So 2 plus 32 will get 34. Okay, now question number 6 is over. 6th bit होगा, हो गया. अब 7th bit करते हैं हम लोग, right? Only 6 bits we have completed. Now another 4 bits are there in third question. थोड़ा जल्दी complete कर लेते हैं. Okay. Now the 7th bit. 7th bit given a is equals to 8 and an is equals to 62 and Sn is equals to 210. What we have to do, what we have to find, n we have to find or d we have to find. Okay, so in the question the first and the last term is given. So first और last term दिया है तो हम लोग कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, second formula, right? Now Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus an, right? So Sn is equals to and this is equals to 210. Now we'll substitute the value of a that is 8 plus an that is 62 is equals to 210. So n upon 2, 8 plus 62 हो जाएगा 70, right? So n will be equals to, cross multiply करेंगे 210 into 2 divided by 70. So ये cancel हो गया, 73 is 210 and we'll get n is equals to 6. So first n निकल गया. Now a n is given. A n means a6. And how will you write a6? A plus 5d and this is equals to 62. Now what we will do, we will substitute the value of a in this equation. A is 8 8 plus 5d is equals to 62. Now shift 8 to that side. 62 minus 8, it will be 54. And finally we'll get d is equals to 54 by 5. This is the answer. Now we'll move towards the 8th bit. 8th bit है a n is equals to the 4, a n is equals to 4, d is equals to 2, and sn is equals to minus 14. Right. Okay. So now what we have to find? We have to find n and a. यहाँ पे n निकालना है और हम लोग को a भी निकालना है. Okay. So what we will do? We will use the formula for an first. So an is equals to 4 will imply a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 4. Now we'll substitute the value of d. इसमें d का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. d is 4. Now open the bracket and shift this to this side. Okay. So what we will get? A is equals to 4 minus 2n. ये 2n यहाँ पे प्लस है, उधर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा, and this minus 2 will become plus 2. So we'll get a is equals to 6 minus 2n. Let it be equation number 1. Okay. Now Sn is given minus 14. Right? Sn यहाँ पे 14 दिया हुआ है. And we'll use the second formula. Why we are using the second formula? क्योंकि हम लोग के पास लास्ट टर्म दिया हुआ है और a हम लोग यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट कर चुके हैं. Right? So we are using the second formula, that is n upon 2 a plus an, and this is equals to minus 14. Okay, now substitute the value of a, that is 6 minus 2n, and an, that is 4. So what we are going to get? 6 minus 2n, और यहाँ पे an 4 है, we'll substitute 4. n by 2, 6 plus 4 will be 10. Minus 2n is equals to minus 14. Now see again, इसमें से 2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम, कॉमन लेके इस 2 से कैंसिल कर लेंगे. Otherwise, divide both the terms by 2. So what we will get? N into 5 minus n is equals to minus 14. Okay? Now open the bracket. 5n minus n square is equals to minus 14. Now shift this to that side. ये दोनों को उधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. क्यों? ये सोच रहे हैं कि minus 14 को इधर क्यों नहीं? Because I want n square, the coefficient of n square should be positive. ठीक है, तो उधर शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. So ये हो गया n square and this will be minus 5n. ये already minus 14 दिया हुआ है, इसको हम लोग फिर पलट दिए. Now we have to factorize. Now see, product is minus 14. यहीं पे लिख देता हूं मैं. Product is minus 14 and the sum is minus 5. So product is negative, that means 14 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 5 होना चाहिए, 7 और 2. So सम का जो साइन है बड़े नंबर पे लगा देंगे. The other will be plus. So we'll get n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equals to 0. So इन दोनों में n कॉमन है और इन दोनों में 2 कॉमन है. So we'll get n into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7 is equals to 0. So final factors n plus 2, n minus 7 is equals to 0. So we are getting two factors, n plus 2 is equals to 0, n is equals to minus 2, and the second one is n minus 7 is equals to 0, that is n is equals to 7. Okay, so again, just now before this round, I told you that n should be a natural number. So इसको neglect करेंगे. Neglecting n is equals to minus 2, as n should be natural number. Okay, n should be natural number. So therefore n is equals to 7. So we got the value of n is equals to 7. Now what we have to find? A. Now a is equals to 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n. So 6 minus 2n, n की जगह पे 7 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So we are getting minus 8. 6 minus 14 is minus 8. So 7th 8th bit भी हो गया. Now only 2 bits left. So let us complete those 2 bits. जल्दी से complete कर लेते हैं so that we can complete other questions also. Okay, now 9th bit. A is equals to 3 and n is equals to 8. S is equals to 192 and we have to find D. D निकालना है. So it's very easy question. यहाँ पर S दिया हुआ है. S means sum of n terms. N is 8. So S is equals to 182 can be written as S8 is equals to 192. So we have formula that Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And this is equals to, this will imply 8 by 2. We'll substitute n is equals to 8 and a is equals to 3. And this is equals to 192. Okay, so ये छोटा क्वेश्चन है. सिर्फ इसी इक्वेशन से हम लोग को d निकल जाएगा. So this we can cancel 4, 6 and 70 plus 70. Again we will shift 4 to that side. 6 plus 70 is equals to 192 minus 4. 192 minus 4 will become ये डिवाइड होगा यहाँ पर 192 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट में है तो यहाँ पर आएगा तो डिवाइड में होगा. सो कितना मिलेगा 4 16 48. ओके, नाउ वी विल शिफ्ट 6 टू दैट साइड. 48 minus 6 so 42. Final d is equals to 42 by 7 6. We got the value of d. Only d we have to find. Now let us move toward the last bit. That is L is equals to 28 and S is equals to 144 and there are total n terms, means n is equals to 9. Okay, and we need to find A. So हम लोग क्या कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे? सेकंड वाला. Why? क्योंकि लास्ट टर्म दिया हुआ है और n दिया हुआ है, a निकालना है. सो वी हैव Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus l. Why I am writing n? क्योंकि मैंने l वाला भी फॉर्मूला बताया. कभी कभी am को हम लोग l से डिनोट करते हैं तो हम लोग ये वाला भी फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर. Now this will imply n by 2 that is 9 by 2 a plus 28 is equals to 144. Now this we will shift here, cross multiply हो जाएगा. So कितना मिलेगा? 144 into 2 by 9. रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा वहाँ. Now 144 we can divide it by 9. 9 से कैंसिल होगा वो. 1 6 16 into 2 is 32. Now we'll shift minus plus 28 to that side. It will become minus 28. Final answer is 4. So third question हम लोग का complete हो गया. Now let us move towards the fourth question. Fourth question is very important for board exam. Okay, how many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 so on must be taken to give a sum of 636? Okay, so यहाँ पे first of all what is the first term? N9, and what is the common difference? Second term minus first term, that is 17 minus 9, and this is equals to 8. Now what is given? Sum of n terms 636. We need to find the value of n. How many terms पूछा? That means n निकालना है. So Sn का फॉर्मूला n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 636. Now substitute the value of a and d in this equation. What is a? 9. And what is d? 8. 636. So 18 plus this will be 8n minus 8, and this is equals to 636. Now 18 minus 8 will become plus 10. Now see, we can take 2 common from these two. इन दोनों में से 2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं या दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, we can do either by taking 2 common and cancel with these 2, or we can divide both the term by 2. So दोनों को मैं 2 से डिवाइड कर दे रहा हूँ. 4n plus 5 is equals to 636. Now 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equals to 0. Now see here the product is minus 636 into 4, and the sum is plus 5, and we need to find the 2 factors. See carefully, product हम लोग को नहीं चाहिए. Again we multiply करके लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अभी मैं यहाँ पर बता रहा हूँ 636 into 4. This is the product. इसका 2 factor such that their difference is 5. Why? Because the product is negative. तो इसको थोड़ा से हम लोग फैक्टराइज कर लेते हैं. 106 into 6 into 4 already there is there. Again we'll break up 53 2 into 6 into 4. तो मुझे यहाँ पे मिल गया देखो 48 और 53 का डिफरेंस 5 आ रहा है. So we got the 2 factors. So थोड़ा से ड्रिलिंग करेंगे तो अपने आप आ जाएगा 53 और 48. So सम का साइन बड़े नंबर पे लगाना है, दूसरा माइनस हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ दिस विल इंप्लाई 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equals to 0. And what is common between these two? n only. So n कॉमन लेंगे 4n plus 53, and इन दोनों में कॉमन है minus 12. So 4n plus 53 is equals to 0. So we got 2 factors, 4n plus 53 and n minus 12 is equals to 0. Right? So first factor से हम लोग को n is equals to minus 53 by 4 मिल जाएगा, और second factor से we'll get n is equals to 12. Okay, so but again n should be natural number, so we have to neglect this one. So neglecting n is equals to minus 53 by 4, as n should be natural number. So therefore n is equals to 12. So we got the answer. Fourth क्वेश्चन हो गया. चलो फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं जल्दी से. फिफ्थ और सिक्स तक कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं आज इस सेशन में. बाकी क्वेश्चंस नेक्स्ट सेशन में करेंगे. Okay. Now, question number 5. I'm reading the question. The first term of an AP is 5. पहले से लिख देते हैं. A is equals to 5. And the last term is 45. L is equals to AN is equals to 45. Right? Last term को AN से भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं, L से भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं. And the sum of all the terms is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. See, first term and the last term is given and the sum of n terms is given. So which formula we are going to use? The second one. Okay. So now Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus an, and this is equals to 400. So now we are going to substitute a or an. Okay, so 50 आ रहा है is equals to 400, right? So इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं या उधर लेके चले जाओ. So 24n is equals to 400 and n is equals to 400 upon 25. 400 को 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो मिलेगा 60. So we got the value of n. Common difference also we have to find. Now we'll use this one. An is equals to A16 is equals to 45. Okay. So how will you write A16? A plus 15D, and this is equals to 45. Now substitute the value of A. A कितना है? 5. 15 into D. Now shift 5 to that side. It will become minus 5. So 40 हो गया. So finally 40 by 15, if you simplify you will get 8 by 3. So fifth question is over. Now we'll do the last question of today's session. Sixth question. The first and the last term, यहाँ पर भी वही चीज दिया हुआ. First और the last term. First term is given 17 and the last term, that is L an is equals to 350. If the common difference is 9, so यहाँ तक आ जाते हैं, कॉमन लगा के एंड यहाँ पे लगा देते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस फर्स्ट टर्म A दिया हुआ है, an दिया हुआ है और D is given. How many terms are there and what is their sum? How many terms मतलब n निकालना है, right? So we'll use this formula. An is equals to 350. So An we can write A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 350. Okay. Now substitute the value of A and D. Now shift 17 to that side. So 350 minus 17. 350 minus 17 कितना होगा? 333. So 333 को हम लोग what we will do, we'll divide it by 9. So कितना मिलेगा? 27, 63, 37. Now we'll shift minus 1 to that side. So plus 1 हो जाएगा and we got the value of n, 38. Now what is their sum? We have to find the sum also. So sum के लिए दो फॉर्मूला हम लोग के पास. सेकेंड फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म इट इज गिवन. सो एस एन इज इक्वल टू एन अपॉन टू ए प्लस ए एन. सो S38 is equals to 38 by 2, 17 plus 350. 38 by 2 हो जाएगा 19. 19 into 367. If you multiply, you will get the answer 6,973. So this is the final answer. So we have completed up to question number 6. बाकी क्वेश्चन हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेशन में करेंगे. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे सेशन. थैंक यू वेरी मच.